What does hilf mean in Hilfulfudul? Oath. Which verse from the Holy Quran emphasizes that Hazrat Muhammad, PBUH, is an excellent pattern for all believers? Surah Al-Hajjab 33:21. Meaning of degeneration, deterioration. A witness is someone who sees or experiences an event directly. Evidence is information or signs that prove something. Ignorance is defined as a lack of knowledge or information. In which word does the vowel E have a short sound? Bed. Which vowel sound is heard in the word note? Long sound. How was the justice system among Arabs before Islam? Arbitrary, often favoring the powerful. Al-barrier is an obstacle that prevents movement or progress. What does the word mellow in the poem most likely mean? Soft and rich. The phrase slows his horse to a meaning walk suggests that the friend wants to talk. Which literary device is most evident in the line and slows his horse to a meaning walk? Personification. Which of the following best describes the word plod? Walking slowly and heavily. Times what does mellow not describe? An intense argument. What action is most similar to plodding? Trudging. Alliteration is most commonly used to create a musical effect in poetry. Identify the alliterative phrase. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Alliteration is often used in poetry and tongue twisters. How did the narrator meet Oliver? They met in after school classes for kids needing help. Repetition of consonant sound in two or more neighboring words called alliteration. Are any words that link clauses, sentences, or ideas? The synonyms of word serenity is all. A word that modifies noun or noun phrase is called adjective. Means reading quickly to get a general overview. Skimming is a way finding detail information. Scanning. The synonym of the word pretend is a vivid and vibrant form of discussion. Imagery. A word that is formed by shortening and combining two words called. Every year, species lost due to deforestation. 50,000. Receive Nobel Prize for Humanity to reduce poverty. Teresa. The synonym of the word pretend. All of the above. We turn off all the lights in morning. Shall. 3. Forests cover percent of Earth's surface. 31. Every minute, trees are felled. 2400. 6. Is destruction of native forests and woods. Deforestation. The meaning of word greed is selfishness. Antonym of the word reduce is Increase. A. Is a solemn process or undertaking. Pledge. Traveling within country is known as tourism. Meaning of word ecotourism. Attabad Lake, Gilgit, is formed in 2010. Meaning of the word get in. Arrive. The synonym of the word take off. A sentence with two or more independent clauses. The subject performed the action called. Active voice. Farmer was looking a water source for his field. Setting of the story is important to create an effect on the reader. The superlative is usually formed by adding before the adjective. Most. The emperor called Birbal is a sentence of active voice. The comparative form of an objective compare. Things or people. 2. Is usually formed by adding a to an objective that has only one syllable. Comparative is a series of events logically arranged. Plot. The subject received the action called. Passive. Some members of young women family were infected a strong illness of eyes. After some months this illness were infect their neighbor. The healing herb was a plant that grew only in the deepest past of the forest. A phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition. Prepositional. The women set for a rest suddenly fall into the stream. Rock. Her husband and started having trouble with their eyesight. Elder son. When she found the tree then go back to home, she needs a help of queen, and the women save all life with this stranger illness. Village. We should eat food. When we laugh, how much muscles of face are used? Is healthiest country in world. The meaning of word humor is people have strong sense who not. The meaning of word prevent is the synonym of word beside is